Father's heart we came. Called by love before our name. Every life His purpose shows. Every seed His wisdom grows. From glory to glory, by mercy we stand, transformed by His Spirit, forever in His hand. Happy transmutation, lift your voice and sing. Abba Yahuwah reigns forever, He is Lord and King. Through Yahusha saving grace, Ruach lights our way. We will walk His covenant every single day. Parents, family, faithful friends guided us until the end. Now together we arrive, live in hope before all eyes. Many colors now made one, heaven's work has just begun, shining bright